Hello there and welcome to GCSE Science Biology, and in this particular task we're looking at the blood. So the blood has various components, which is sometimes a little bit baffling when you hear about it first time round. So blood is like a tissue based on a liquid called plasma, and plasma carries red blood cells and it carries white blood cells, and it also has what we call platelets. And it also carries many dissolved substances around your body as well. So the average person has between around about just under 5 liters of blood in their actual body. So the main components of blood, again, are red blood cells, which account for 45% of our blood, white blood cells, and platelets, which account for just less than 1%. And we also have plasma, which includes 55%. So have a read of this particular chapter in detail, and then you've got some revision questions based on this particular topic. And good luck with these, and we'll review these in our next lesson. Thank you.